Crypto is supposed to be decentralized, right? Then why do companies like Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken still act like banks? Welcome to the battle of DeFi, decentralized finance, versus CeFi, centralized finance, where we break down the key differences, benefits, and risks of both worlds. Let's dive in. 1. What is centralized finance? CeFi is the traditional way people interact with crypto through centralized platforms like Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, Crypto.com. In CeFi, a company controls your account, you deposit funds into their custody. They handle trading, lending, earning, and withdrawals. It's like a crypto bank. 2. What is decentralized finance? DeFi removes the middleman. It uses blockchains plus smart contracts to let you trade, lend, borrow, earn yield, all without a central company. Examples: Uniswap, decentralized trading; Aave, decentralized lending; Curve, stablecoin liquidity. In DeFi, you hold your own funds and interact with code, not customer support. 3. CeFi versus DeFi. Feature CeFi custody. Platform holds your crypto, control centralized company, access easy, sign in with email. KYC ID, yes, must verify. Fees set by platform support, customer service available, downtime, can be paused. Feature DeFi custody. You hold your own wallet, control, smart contract plus user, access, requires wallet setup, KYC ID, no KYC in most cases. Fees, transparent plus sometimes lower. Support, no support, you're on your own, downtime, usually 24/7 and unstoppable. 4. Pros and cons. CeFi, pros, usually 24/7 and unstoppable. User-friendly, great for beginners. Customer support if issues arise. Fiat on slash off ramps. Bank deposits, withdrawals, often regulated and licensed. CeFi. Cons. Custody risk. Platforms can get hacked or go bankrupt. Slower transactions than on-chain. No full control of your crypto. Can be censored or shut down. DeFi, pros, full control over your assets. Permissionless, anyone with a wallet can join. Transparent and programmable. Available 24/7 globally. DeFi, cons, technical learning curve. No support if you make a mistake. Smart contract risks, bugs, exploits. You must secure your own wallet. 5. When to use CeFi versus DeFi. Situation. Best option? You're new to crypto. Start with CeFi. Binance, Coinbase. You want to buy crypto with fiat, use CeFi. You want to earn yield or trade anonymously. Try DeFi. You don't want to trust third parties, go DeFi. You value convenience and simplicity. Stick to CeFi. 6. Real-world examples. FTX collapse. A CeFi. Cautionary tale. FTX was a centralized exchange. When it collapsed in 2022, users lost billions. Why? Because the platform misused customer funds. In DeFi, that's impossible. Funds are locked in code.MakerDAO. A DeFi case study. MakerDAO lets users lock ETH as collateral to generate DA insons. A stablecoin. There's no company. Everything is run by code plus a DAO.100% decentralized and transparent. 7. What the crypto community says. CeFi is training wheels. DeFi is the real ride. Not your keys, not your crypto. DeFi gives you freedom. CeFi gives you convenience. Conclusion. DeFi and CeFi both serve a purpose. CeFi makes crypto easy and accessible. DeFi gives you freedom, control, and transparency. But at a cost, you are responsible. Think of CeFi as crypto with training wheels and DeFi as riding solo down the blockchain highway. Choose wisely or use both, depending on your goals.